know. I think she's gonna like this one though. I'll let you guys know which one she like. Okay. Okay, Sarah, I'm done. Come tell me which one you like. Today we have the fall drinks from Dunkin'. We have 4 fall drinks from Dunkin'. We're going to see which one I like the best. If you like Dunkin' Donut, put in the comments down below who you like the best at Dunkin' Donut and Starbucks. I like or Dutch Bro. I really like Dutch Bro more because they the only one seem to get my order right. Small ice cereal milk latte espresso cereal milk. I never tried no cereal milk. And they're free. They're out for free. You know how they're free? My daughter. she do this every year. Order all this stuff. Let's try this cereal milk. Iced cereal milk latte espresso cereal milk. That's how it looks. Looks like they got a lot of cream in it. Good. I like this one. I didn't drink this. And you watch, I'll go order one and they won't get it right. It won't taste like this. The second one is iced latte, 2 pumpkin swirl, 2 vanilla shot, and oatmeal. I don't like pumpkin. And I put the link in of the one we did last year. That's the way I look. I don't know about this one. This one right here looks really creamy. It's good. Tastes okay, but not my first choice. I don't like pumpkin. Put in a comment down below, do you like pumpkin pie, pumpkin, anything pumpkin. Pumpkin cookies, pumpkin drink, pumpkin seed. Okay. That one was okay. It was okay. I wouldn't buy it. 2 pumpkin swirl, 2 vanilla shot, 1 Splenda oatmeal cold foam, and 1 shot of cinnamon sugar. A lot of stuff. See whatever. I guess that's a cinnamon at the top. Hey, let's try this one. I don't know. Let's see. I don't like cinnamon either, but it's okay. I like cinnamon better than pumpkin. A little too sweet. You can taste them. You can taste the cinnamon. You can taste the pumpkin. Yeah, you can taste everything. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, let's try this one. And this is shaken espresso, 2 pumpkin swirl oatmeal, and 2 espresso. Let's try this one. That's how I look. Tastes like some burnt coffee. Tastes like burnt coffee. I want to say this is the second one I like the most. Yeah. Because I don't really taste the pumpkin. Okay. This one is my favorite. And it is iced cereal milk, latte, espresso, and cereal milk. I hope I'm saying this all right. That's the first one. And this is the first one that I like. It's the best one. And then I would say this is the second one because I really can't taste the pumpkin. And, you know, this would be the second one. And out of these 2, I think this would be the third one. Is iced latte, 2 pumpkin swirl, 2 vanilla shot, and oatmeal. Okay, that would be the second one, I think. No, this is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the last one with cinnamon. Yeah. 2 pumpkin swirl, 2 vanilla shot, 1 Splenda oatmeal, cold foam, and 1 ginger sugar. Dang it. Got too much stuff in it. Yeah, this is the least. That's the least one I don't like. And as you can see, this is the one that I love. And this is the least one that I like. You want me?
Which one was your favorite? I'll tell you what was my favorite.
This one?
We're probably gonna have the same favorite.
I don't think
You
so.
don't think so? We never have the same one.
I don't think so.
Let me look.
You ready?
1,
You want me to
2.
tell you?
Yeah.
Okay, my favorite one is...
That's my favorite
That's
too.
your favorite.
It's cereal milk. It's so
Yeah.
good. That one's like cereal milk.
That's
Coffee.
why I look like that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add another shot of espresso to it.
Yeah, that's one I love.
That one's so good.
Probably because of cereal. But I really thought you would have liked this one. But I
That was
said,
my second favorite.
yeah, I thought they would have the other drinks, the refreshers.
Oh, they have those too, but they're not like fall vibes.
Oh,
There's some new
okay.
ones of those, but I didn't.
Okay. Okay, yeah, guys. Make sure you go watch the one we did in 2024.
That was Starbucks. We
Oh,
didn't
that
do
was
Dunkin'.
that was
I don't think we did
Starbucks.
Dunkin'.
Okay, we probably got one for 23 somewhere too. But I look through the videos to see all the years we have now.
You think Daddy wants to try it?
He said he did. Oh, be careful. Look at her. Her and her daddy. She just coming take it from me. I was gonna take my favorite one and give him the leftover. See how she do me? But anyway, guys, she gonna let her daddy dry them, and yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to. Next time, I will see you guys later. Make sure you watch the last 2-3 years. I don't know how many years. I know we did one last year. She said at Starbucks. So yeah, make sure you watch that. Please, guys. You know what, guys? The holidays is coming. My birthday is coming in 7 more months. I will be 60. So,
Here,
but
you can keep the one you like. You can keep that one.
which one he like?
None of them because they're pumpkin, but
Oh no, this one ain't pumpkin. Is
you
it?
can keep that one. Oh, he took the straw.
But yeah, so she's supposed to be giving my car back. Go get her Camaro. And
Yeah, I was looking at the Jeeps, Mom. What if I get a Jeep?
Ooh.
We can share the Jeep.
Yeah.
So we gotta go half on the payments.
Okay, yeah, but you guys gotta get me there. I'll go out
No,
with
it's
her.
too big for me. Mom, that Jeep is gonna be too big for you.
No, it's not. Because I don't want her to be struggling. And no.
Whatever.
When she finish college, then she can go look for an apartment. She need to get her car, pay it off first, and then start getting her some furniture. We can put it here in the storage. And then when she moving up on me, she be sad. She don't have to worry about no car payment. She don't have to worry about buying no furniture. I tell her, guys, she think because she finna get this new position at work, she have extra money to spend. No, you have extra money to save. It's gonna make over 50K a year. Plus she get 500 to 1,000 bonuses every month. Every month. She gonna get 500 to 1K bonus every month. Guaranteed. As long as her store do good, she'll get that bonus. So she figured now she can go. No, slowly. Take your time. I know what I'm gonna do. God gonna watch over me. God is gonna protect me. I know that. My God is going to look out for me. I know that. But anyway, guys, thanks for talking to me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. I love you. And I will see you next time. Bye.